Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I will discuss the basics of the cup and handle stock chart pattern. It can be used for intraday trading, and it could also be used for swing trading with a daily candlestick chart, which is what I'm going to mostly focus on today. Please be aware that, like all other patterns, this one does not work 100% of the time. Also, I just want to let you know that I have some free reports. And if you go down below this video, you can click on the description. You can download one or several or as many as you like. And I co-authored these reports, and they're financial reports with actionable ideas. I think you'll like them a lot. No obligation. We're not going to send you a bunch of junk. Just, put in your email address and get the report. All right. So here we go. Let's take a look. Cup and handle. Winning stocks often start their big runs by forming this pattern. So this is obviously a bullish pattern if it works out. It resembles a teacup viewed from the side. See, cup and handle, right? Kind of like this one, kind of, sort of. You have to be able to use your imagination for this one. Now the stock should run up at least 30%, that's the prior uptrend, before forming the base. Then it should start selling off 15 to 30% from the high. When it reaches the floor and bottoms out, institutional investors have stopped selling their shares and have started buying again. And I will let you know that a lot of retail traders have a tendency to buy and sell at the wrong time, whereas the institutional traders, they tend to get in closer to the bottom. So I'm looking for institutional or large-scale orders, and when the selling pressure ends, and then the large-scale institutional buyers come in more likely at the right time than the retails. So that's a sign that the selling pressure had stopped, the buying pressure is starting to come in, and that's when the handle starts to form. The handle forms in the upper half of the base, okay? So it's closer to the top than the bottom here. And for swing traders, it should be at least 5 trading days long. Now again, that's 5 candlesticks on the daily candlestick chart. For intraday trading, you're going to have to adjust all of this to your time frame. Now, during the handle, less committed retail investors are being shaken out of the stock, all right? So again, the retail traders and investors, they tend to not do as well as the big institutional investors, and so they get head faked here, it goes down, they might sell here. After the shakeout, the stock is now free to run, if this works out. Again, it doesn't work 100% of the time, all right? And don't look for an exact rounding bottom pattern here. It's usually pretty sloppy, all right? As long as it generally adheres to this curvature here, all right? And so this is a bullish pattern, a continuation pattern, if you will. And when do you want to get in? Well, probably after the shakeout is finished. The ideal buy point is here, but you can buy anywhere within this buying range. Okay, you don't want to wait too long. You don't want to buy way up here. Okay, the idea is to buy right around here if you can. All right, so let's take a look at a couple of examples. This is AMD, and again, you see it's not an exact science here. All these patterns tend to be a little sloppy in nature, but this one is pretty close, and we have the cup and the handle here. If you had gotten in right around here, you would have done pretty well for yourself. That's AMD, the daily candlestick chart. Thanks to stockcharts.com for these charts. This is MELI. MELI is the stock ticker, and this is a much bigger cup and handle. Okay, so as you can see, it could be multi-week or even multi-month, really. And then you can see the shakeout here, okay? And then if you had bought right after the shakeout, and I know you can't see it here, but it did pretty well after that. So that's another example of a cup and handle pattern, all right? So there you go. That's a couple of examples. And if you like that cup and handle pattern, and if you like this video, why not also give it a like or a thumbs up on YouTube, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, please, so you can get updates whenever I put out videos like this. Feel free to comment in the comments section. Let me know what you think of cup and handle patterns. Do you think it's accurate? Do you think it's actionable? And check out if you want to get some free reports, go below in the description below this video and download as many as you like. All right, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you again soon.